Hey guys, what's up? I'm Seth.
And I'm Megan.
Today we are with our friend Following Florin. We are here in Scottsdale, Arizona once again for our 5 days of food in Arizona. We are at Playa Bowls. They do acai bowls, smoothies, and juices. On Instagram, they are huge. I think they're almost at 200,000 followers. Their pictures look absolutely incredible. And if you know Megan and I, we love a good acai bowl. So let's go check it out and see if it holds up to the hype.
Upon pulling into the parking lot and seeing Playa Bowls, you get these beautiful Hawaiian island vibes. And as soon as you walk in, you're met with these surfboards that line the ceilings, TVs playing reels of Hawaii. And while you're waiting, there's all of these fresh products, pressed juice, seltzer waters, and the menu is absolutely endless. We took our food outside because it was a nice day, and just look at this. The Nutella bowl is just packed with stuff. Look at all of those different colors. And this was absolutely a refreshing lunch. The strawberries were more fresh than any strawberries I've seen in a restaurant before. There was no wilting anywhere. And so good, so crisp. Look at all of that mango and coconut flakes. Again, these bowls are just packed to the brim with stuff. Goji berries are one of my favorite, and just look at the colors in Florin's bowl.
Alright guys, there you have it. That was our lunch today from Playa Bowl. These things are amazing. My critique at most places with acai bowls is the acai is too watery, and so it doesn't hold up. It ends up turning into a soup. And you know, even today, being out here, it's like 100 degrees. It's pretty cool today actually. And this held up very well. Super cold, super filling. I think it was, what, about $20? $24 for Megan and I to get a bowl. So they're about 12 bucks a piece. And every bit worth it. So if you're in the Scottsdale area, you're looking for something to cool off, you're like me, you don't like ice cream, Playa Bowls, definitely check them out on Instagram. And make sure to check us out on Instagram at Seth and Megan. Make sure to go give Florin a follow at Following Florin on Instagram and YouTube. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because tomorrow is day 4 of our 5 days of food in Arizona. See you on the next one.